What gives your competitors their edge? Why are their listings performing better than yours? Terapeak research can help answer these questions and more. With Terapeak, you can get valuable insights on what's selling, on how to optimize your listings, or expand your inventory. It's simple and easy to use, and you can do it all from the Research tab within Seller Hub. Search millions of sold and active listings within eBay by keyword or product identifier. You can filter your results by price, product condition, or sales format, and search across eBay marketplaces in different regions within a customizable date range. The information is presented in clear, easy-to-understand statistics, graphs, and charts that can help you identify useful sales trends over a period of time. Benchmark your own listings against other live listings and get an instant snapshot of how well you're performing. You can easily compare prices or the usage of promoted listings by your competitors. So why should you use Terapeak? It's a quick and easy-to-use tool that helps you optimize your listings for success, expand your product inventory, refresh listings with low or no sales, or even help you decide which inventory to sell internationally. Other sellers are using Terapeak to get ahead. Don't miss this great opportunity to gain that valuable competitive edge. Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.